everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Tuesday! So, meron ako ulit ngayong appointment para naman sa aking 22 weeks prenatal check-up. Yung kahapon is anatomy scan yun. Pero bago kami dumiretso doon sa ospital, punta muna kami ng Subway para bumili ng makakain. And bibili rin kami ng eggs yata. Pero hindi ko alam kung ngayon na or after pa ng aking check-up kasi magbe-bake ulit si Mister ng cookies. Are you gonna bake cookies?
Yeah, so I might do it tomorrow.
But you're gonna be going back to work tomorrow.
I'm gonna do it when I wake up.
Tapos maganda ang weather ngayon para katulad kahapon. Pero which is warmer tomorrow? Tomorrow. Yesterday or today? I think it's today. Mainit siya kaya yan, ganyan ang aming outfitan. Pero pagka lumabas ka naman ng car, medyo cool naman. Kaya meron pa rin kaming dalang mga jacket. Ang taba-taba na ng aking mukha. Tapos baka pumunta muna kami sa park kasi masyado pang maaga para sa aking appointment. So ayan lang ang aming agenda for today. Samahan niyo po kami. Punta tayo dito sa Subway. Dito na tayo ngayon sa Massachusetts State Forest. Dito lang kami magtatambay. Kakain kami nung binili namin sa Subway. And then after that, didiretso na kami doon sa aking 22-week prenatal appointment. So medyo malapit na yun siya dito. So, dito lang kami kakain sa loob ng van. Ayaw ni Mr. dun sa mga bench. Mas gusto niya daw dito kumain sa loob ng van. Doon kami sa likuran. Ayan, meron ditong what's this, love? Stream Brook.
Brook. It's Massachusetts Brook.
Ay, Brook. Ayan. Nagpunta na kami dito before, right? It was summer when we went here, right? Yes. Ngayon ay spring. Si Zayra, ayan, naglalaro. Zayra, do you wanna eat? Ha? Do you wanna eat? Baby, come on, eat. Yummy ah. Gulo ng buhok ng baby.
Appa.
What?
Appa.
You want me to open it? Say, open please, Mama. Open please.
Appa.
Mama, open. Come here.
Me. Appa.
Come here.
Me.
We're gonna go feed you. Ano ba yan? Where are you going?
1, 2, 3.
Baby, want this, please? Zayra. Cookies. Here. Where's your cookies? Oh. Zayra. Love, siya mo ito.
She's fun.
Ito.
She only does it once, I think. She's not gonna put up that much of a resistance.
Ikot-ikot muna kami dito kasi masyado pang mahaba ang oras. Ay, love! Oh my God! Where are you going? Ha? Si Mr. Saan ba ito pupunta? Ang lamig-lamig. Medyo malamig dito kasi natabi siya ng tubig. Baby, where did Dad go? You wanna go to Dada? Oh, love, let's sit here.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We want
Ito yung place. Maganda yung place dito. Very peaceful. Maya-maya alis na rin kami kasi punta na kami sa aking appointment. Wala masyadong tao dahil nga ngayon ay Tuesday. Meron doon mag-asawang medyo maedad na. Ayan, punta na kami doon sa ospital. Ang putla ko na kasi wala akong natanggal yung lipstick ko. Wala akong dalang lipstick. Ayan. What are you eating? The cookies. So one time, dun yun sa aming Facebook page. Pero hindi na kasi ako nagpo-post sa aming Facebook page. Nagpo-focus na lang ako dito sa YouTube. Merong isang nag-comment doon kasi dinala namin si Zira sa forest. Hindi daw ba ako natatakot na baka mabate si Zira kasi dinala namin sa forest. And kayo ba naniniwala kayo sa mga ganun? Ako naniniwala naman ako pero sa tingin ko naman wala namang mangyayaring hindi maganda kay Zira. Love. Remember I told you about this superstitious beliefs of Filipinos? A lot of it. What can you say about that?
I don't know. I have superstitious beliefs too, so
Do you believe in those superstitious beliefs?
half of them, yes, and the other half, no.
Ayun. So, I think some of the Americans also have this superstitious belief. So, it's not uncommon for them. What is the best superstitious beliefs that you've heard from us Filipinos?
I don't know. Some of them seem real, yeah. Like, I don't know. I believe in Tabi Tabi Po, but not in like the way of that there's little gnomes up in the trees. I don't believe that there's gnomes up in the trees.
But you got scared because when we were in the Philippines, we were in Antipolo because I'm from Antipolo and there was a resort there. We were walking around, that was nighttime, and then suddenly there's something that fell. It's just like a fruit, and then I told him, oh, there's gonna be like a dwarf or something. We have to say tabi tabi po so that we won't get sick or they won't harm us.
Not just because of, one area, but like it seems like a lot of areas have spirits. Like I think that the whole Midwest of the United States for like 600 miles north south in the middle and then like 1,000 miles east west, I think that whole giant area is haunted by some kind of a spirit, and so I think that, so I don't know, a lot of the beliefs.
So tapos na ang aking check-up, everyone, and everything is okay naman. Sabi sa akin nung secretary doon, wag na daw akong magbabayad sa susunod ng copay kahit na may nakalagay dun sa portal ko na bill kasi hindi daw ako required magbayad ng copay. Eh sabi ko sa kanya, nagbayad na ako twice. Sabi nila hindi na daw nila yun mababalik sa akin pero next time, wag na daw. So medyo nakakalito siya. Pero $15 lang naman yun, so $30 all in all. Tapos ang bait-bait nung doktor ko doon. Kasi ang napansin ko dito ha, iba-ibang doktor yung mag-check sa'yo kada visit mo. So this time, itong OBGYN na to, sobrang nice niya. Tinanong niya pa nga ako nung about sa love story namin ni Mister. And siya, sabi niya, willing daw siya din na gumamit ng dating app para makahanap ng kanyang true love. So ayun, papunta kami dito sa Target, magbibili ako ng aking mga undies. Dahil ang liliit na ng mga undies ko. Tapos alam nyo ba, yung aking weight from last time na check up ko, 97 pounds ata yun. Naging 104 pounds na. Tapos pinagtatawanan ako nito ni Mister. Pero okay pa naman daw, okay daw yung weight ko. Tapos yung blood pressure ko is 104/62, which is healthy naman. So ayun. Next check-up ko is after a month.
Destination is on the right.
Tira, la la la.